Hi, I'm Gary from the Braid Besties located in Melbourne, and today I'm going to show you my simple wig detangling routine. Today we're doing my simple updated wig detangling routine featuring my current go-to wig, which is the Outre Human Hair Body Curl. This is a 5x5 lace wig by Outre, and this is what the packaging of this looks like. So the color that I usually wear is a color 2, and I'm going to show it to you. This is the wig that I usually wear, and as you can see, it does need some brushing and detangling. So we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna be using just 2 products for this routine. The first one is the Ebin 5-second detangler, and the second one is the Garnier Fructis Macadamia hair food. So this is my main detangler, but I find that this one helps my wig to just stay detangled and be fine throughout the day. The first step is just to spray the wig down. This spray works quite quickly. You will find that in a couple of seconds you can already run your fingers through the hair. So I've just got my detangling brush and I'm gonna do just a bit of brushing. So as you can see, the product works quite quickly. The wig is already getting tamed. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my Garnier Fructis. I believe that this works well because this is actually a human hair blend wig, and the Garnier Fructis hair food is made for human hair. So I'm going to put the wig on now and you'll see the result. Now because this is a glueless wig, I'm just going to pop it on. And yep, that's what it looks like now. As you can see, the wig is quite well detangled, no issues at all. Really simple, just 2 products. And I know that Ebin got cancelled because of their terrible work culture and their racism allegations, but I do have to say that the product works really well. And if you guys have any recommendations for a different product that works just as well, I would be happy to try it. Now thank you for watching this video and have a good one.